So in today's video we're going to be showing you how you can view the spec of your Mac computer or any Mac computer, along with checking up how much AppleCare support that you have left or when it expires. So first of all, they're both in the same place, that's why we're doing it in the same video. First of all, you want to go up here to this Apple logo, and all you want to do is click about this Mac. Once you're here, you're going to be able to see what version of the OS you're on, what type of thing it is. So this is a MacBook Pro, it's an M1 2020, it's running the Apple M1 and it's got 16GB of memory. From this you can click display and you can see what kind of display we're running. So you can see we're running a built-in Retina display, that 2560 pixels by 1600, and there's the amount of storage that we have. And if you click support, you're going to be able to see the AppleCare protection that you have. As you can see here, this one runs out in 17th of May 2025, and if you really want, you can also see the manuals as well. Thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe.